Hello, Brian Fluff here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these confetti launchers. Super easy. All you need is either a toilet paper roll, or you can use a paper towel roll and some balloons. So all you need to do is cut them into small pieces. This is about 2 or 3 inches, and then just cut the neck off of the balloon, like this little part. Then all you have to do is you take this, you sit it down, take your balloon with the top cut off, put your fingers into the top, stretch it open, and then just put it around the top of the balloon until it looks sort of like this. Then now you should be able to pull it back and let go. Then just take scissors and grab some paper. I'm using this paper. All you have to do is just cut it into little tiny bits and put it into here. Then I will show you it shooting once I've done that. Okay, I've gone ahead and made this, and I have filled it up with little tiny bits of paper. The smaller they are, the more that will shoot out at once. Well, the bigger the puff cloud. But now all I have to do is just pull back, aim, and yay! And then sometimes there might still be some in there, so you can shoot it again, and again, and again, until there's none left. And then bam, you have just made confetti cannon. So, I haven't posted in a while. So, that's what I posted. Bye-bye. See you later.